back. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how to use your ChatGPT to create banners and to design, how to use your ChatGPT to design on Canva. So how to connect your ChatGPT to Canva. So I'm just going to go over to my ChatGPT. You need to have ChatGPT installed on your phone. I'll click on ChatGPT. So here we have our design environment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this two dotted line at the top left corner. All right, I'm going to click on apps. So it's going to show you a list of apps that you can connect to your ChatGPT, as you can see. First of all, we have Canva here. We have Photo, Adobe Photoshop, Airtable, Apple Music, Booking.com. We have Canva. We have Figma, all right. Then we have Lovable, OpenTable, Raply. So Spotify, even Spotify is part of it. Tribe Advisor. So these are the apps that you can connect to your ChatGPT. For the particular class, we're going to look at this Canva, as you can see. Canva is one of the app currently displaying here. This is featured. If you come to lifestyle, you will see other apps here that is connectable. Alright, in case there's any app here. So we are going to be looking at how to use some of these popular apps. Alright, so you can also come to productivity. Alright, we have some other apps here. There are very many. Alright, so go back to featured. So we just go straight to Canva. Click on Canva. So now now when you click on more, you're going to see more details about what you can do with this. Now we're going to go ahead and connect our Canva. Right, you see connect, click on this connect to connect to your ChatGPT. Alright, this ChatGPT, now I want to connect to our Canva. Click on it. Now here are the terms and conditions. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and click on continue to Canva. So I want this Canva to sign in now. The ChatGPT want to sign into our Canva. I'll click on continue. Alright, so you're going to go over to our Canva. So we're going to sign it to our Canva. Continue. Alright, so we're already signing to our Canva. So from ChatGPT, you are signing into Canva. Why? Because you want to make use of ChatGPT inside your want to make use of Canva inside your ChatGPT. That means you can be using ChatGPT to give prompt to Canva to design for you. So you are combining both together. So I'll click on allow. Alright, so authorization has already been successful. Now you can see Canva is now showing up here. Alright, so if I want to do anything here now, alright, I'm going to click on Canva. I'll click on Canva. Okay, you say ask anything. Let me just go back to the beginning. Let me go back to project. Let me click on chat. All right, now see Canva is now part of what we have, as we have create image, thinking, deep research, web space, web search, add file. Now we have quiz, explore. Now we have Canva, which is very important. Now I'm going to click on Canva. It's not part of what ChatGPT has to offer, so I'll click on Canva. Now I can ask anything. All right, so I'm just going to type in something. Say create a high CTRO YouTube thumbnail. All right, a high thumbnail on let me put this in quote on how to design a website on your mobile phone. All right, so now I'm giving a prompt now. Right, I'm not using prompt, so I'll end this, then I add my comma. All right, I will say let the design be attractive and simple. So you have to correct that. Then I will say give it a blue background design. All right, let's see. Okay, with WordPress logo. Now this is a prompt. This is a prompt I'm giving to ChatGPT. Let's see what we can do with this. Now I say create a high CTRO is a high click-through rate YouTube thumbnail on how to design website on your mobile phone. All right. So this is a YouTube thumbnail. So let the design be attractive and simple. Give it blue background design with WordPress logo. All right. Let's see what it's going to do. So I'm going to click on submit. So we're just going to wait for it to see. All right, so he said this is what he gave to us now. Now, mind you, we are not working on creating images. All right, we were in the I think research environment. All right, now here's what he gave to us. He says thumbnail design breakdown, hack CTRO, use a blueprint. Okay. All right, so what he did now, what we did here is that we gave a prompt to ChatGPT on this research environment. So I'm going to copy this prompt. I'll copy it. Let's just add something to it. All right, say it's a generate YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Create a YouTube thumbnail with blue gradient, WordPress logo, smart format copy. So I'm going to click on confirm. All right, so the first time it didn't work because we didn't indicate whether it should create a banner for us. All right, so I just click on confirm. All right, so the first time we didn't indicate what you're going to create, so you were doing research for us instead of creating the banner. So that is the importance of prompting. You must prompt your you must make sure your prompt is very clear enough. All right, in what we did on the research, we didn't indicate that it's going to create a banner design for us. So I have to add banner to the prompt. So you now understand that it's not just going to create write up about web design, YouTube thumbnail. All right, now it's going to design it for us. We don't need the write up, we need the design. Now you can see what it is for us. All right, this is the design. So how to design websites on your mobile phone. All right.